Do you want to build a SaaS but just need a perfect idea? I want to share with you 7 SaaS ideas that you can steal and create your own SaaS in no time. Also, I will share with you a step-by-step plan how to find your AI SaaS idea, how to create your SaaS platform from scratch without developers, what AI tools to use to create a SaaS with no money, and how to outplay your competitors in the market. I'm Denis Babic, a serial entrepreneur who has been running a software agency and an AI tech company for over the last decade. So our first idea is a SaaS for auto-generating Facebook marketing campaigns with AI. How does it work? Imagine running a Facebook marketing agency where every day you struggle with generating new text for ads, creating fresh images, sending all this data to Facebook business, conducting tests, and more. What if there was a platform where users could create a Facebook campaign with just one single prompt? Sounds like magic, right? In reality, it's much simpler than you might think. Introducing LangChain, a powerful AI tool that can work and connect your Facebook ads campaigns knowledge database and large learning models like ChatGPT. Let me explain how it works. If you have a comprehensive database of Facebook campaigns, including titles, descriptions, and images, you can convert these data into vector format using third-party tools. This vector database knowledge then can be leveraged by LangChain integration. How does this integration works? After your data or the data from other Facebook marketing agencies is transformed into vector format, LangChain established a bridge connection between your vector database and a large learning model like ChatGPT. Users simply input a prompt such as "I want a Facebook campaign for a travel agency focusing on summer sales," and voila, LangChain delivers the output you need, drawing from the knowledge and expertise embedded in the vector database. Moreover, LangChain isn't limited to just text output. It can also trigger actions like auto-deploying the data directly to your Facebook business campaign via an API. If you want to innovate and make one step further, considering integrating LangChain with the Midjourney or Stable Diffusion API for an automated image generation process tailored for your AI-driven Facebook campaign SaaS platform. Personally, I'll be the first to subscribe to such a service. So, if you're looking to create a SaaS, consider using LangChain tool as the core, then integrate Bubble.io, Webflow, or any other no-code website SaaS builders. In summary, the essence of any successful idea lies in its ability to solve a problem while also staying at the forefront of innovations like AI tools such as LangChain. Look, AI and LangChain today, it's like a Bitcoin 10 years ago. The next idea is LangChain's application in the corporate sector, particularly for streamlining document and guideline utilization. Imagine this: large companies have a multitude of documents detailing their guidelines and communication, client interaction, marketing standards, legal recommendations, and more. What if all these data could be transformed into vector format and integrated with LangChain and ChatGPT? This could lead to a SaaS platform where company employees simply ask a chatbot for information related to their work or to refine their emails, marketing campaigns, and sales pipelines in the line with company guidelines, all with just a single prompt. Companies are constantly seeking to optimize their resources, and your SaaS could be invaluable in reducing both time and costs. By the way, these SaaS ideas are intended not only to inspire you, but also to highlight that now is the prime time to leverage AI tools and technologies. These AI tools gives you a real and fair advantage, so you can outplay your competitors with easy, similar to how Uber revolutionized traditional taxi services. The next SaaS idea revolves around creating a platform that generates images based on existing ones. Right now, AI image generation tools are growing like insane. A significant problem stopping the production of fully automated AI animations, movies, and cartoons, it's a limitation of repeatedly generating the same character over and over again in various poses and different scenes. So, how can this be achieved? Consider exploring Hugging Face, a new growing startup that currently valuated at around $2 billion. They offer various AI models, and among them you'll find image-to-image AI models, which you can use and modify to create a fully automated process of generating similar images. Consider this. The film industry is a substantial market. If you provide them a tool that enables the creation of characters for cartoons, video clips, movies, etc. with just a few clicks, imagine upload a single prompt, the potential for profits is enormous. To develop this SaaS, you'll need tools like Bubble.io, Webflow, or something similar for the web platform creation, Hugging Face and their AI models for the image generation process, perhaps even Hugging Face dataset to craft your own AI image-to-image custom generator tool, and a touch of Python coding experience, or maybe just an AI developer for a week. That's essentially it. Hey, look, if you require assistance or guidance regarding these technical details, feel free to reach out to me using the contact details listed below. Let's bring your idea to life. Let's delve into the next idea, an AI one-prompt bot for automatic deployment and cloud modifications as a SaaS tool. Many startups and founders struggling with deploying their services to platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or DigitalOcean. Beyond that, they need to navigate command-line setups, manage SSL certificates, configure engines or a patch, and handle other related tasks. Imagine if you could harness the capabilities of LangChain, a vector database full of DevOps knowledge, and ChatGPT for user command inputs. With such a streamlined process, users could avoid the complex and time-consuming setup routines like running the instance, creating and associating elastic IP addresses, configuring basic network settings, and more. All these steps could be automated in minutes with your SaaS. Furthermore, your SaaS service could empower users to scale their cloud infrastructure with just one prompt, a significant time saver when manually boosting server infrastructure power. Remember, when you are using any of these ideas, the key to success and disrupting solution is the combination of cutting-edge AI technologies and a real niche problem. If you want to get more AI SaaS ideas and their implementation guidelines, join me on my Telegram channel. If you're more of an email enthusiast, subscribe to my email list, the link in the video description. Moving on, the next idea for your SaaS is what I call something from nothing generation. Consider 11 Labs, an impressive tool that enables you to transform text into voice, even replicating your personal voice. Did you know that Andreessen Horowitz invested in this startup? This investment underscores the idea's significance, suggesting that similar concepts you developed could also have value in this realm. Imagine crafting something like to a prompt meme generator, like SuperMeme AI, or a tool assisting users in generating eye-catching QR codes, like QRCraft. If you're aiming to create a niche tool for image, voice, or video animation generation, you can tap into the capabilities of easily available AI models from Hugging Face, or employ vector transformed data in combination with LangChain. Another great and cool idea is a micro SaaS service for AI email marketing. Imagine this. You have a knowledge database filled with successful marketing campaigns, sequences, templates, and the like. Why not transform this into a vector format? Use the capabilities of LangChain and ChatGPT and integrate with popular email services such as MailChimp and MailGun. This would allow users to craft an email marketing campaigns through a simple text prompt. Just a few days ago, I spent 6 hours setting up an email marketing campaign. Why not share best practices with others and automate the process so anyone can launch a robust campaign with just one prompt? I'd certainly be a customer. Your next idea could be a micro SaaS Google Chrome extension designed to identify and bypass those annoying captchas. Something similar to what Adblock accomplished with annoying ads on websites years ago. What you need to do is to go to the Hugging Face website and find this particular module from Microsoft, designed to bypass captchas on websites. Then create a simple Chrome extension with it. Voila! You've just saved millions from the repetitive operations of inputting captchas. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more SaaS ideas and business insights. Also, drop a comment about the SaaS ideas you're pondering and looking to test or validate, and I'll provide a feedback on how to improve it or bring your concept to life. Next, you can always consider creating a copy of an existing SaaS service. For instance, take Captions. It's a robust mobile app designed to make a contact without an eyes contact and by adding subtitles to your videos. On top of that, Andreessen and Horowitz have invested in this startup, indicating its market relevance and viability. What's more, I personally use this tool for my business. If you spot a potential goldmine in the market, reflect on its core elements and consider how you might replicate or enhance it. After all, Uber has competitors like Lyft, Microsoft stands beside Apple, and while GitHub exists, so do GitLab and Bitbucket. You can mirror the success of an established product, introducing niche modifications. Some of the best money-making SaaS products were created as the copy and modification of pre-existing software. So remember Picasso's words? Good artists copy, great artists steal. If you're considering launching your own AI SaaS platform or AI tool, don't hesitate to reach out to me via Calendly. We can schedule a 15-minute call on how to transform your idea into a game-changing solution. Also, I strongly recommend you to watch this video.